What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you want to earn passive income, well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to go over 3 different sites that allow you to earn passive income, basically making money while you're able to do the things that you love to do in life, okay? So if you haven't done so yet, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, because you definitely want to be notified every time I put out content just like this, okay? Now, you're going to have to put in some work into this, guys. It's not something you're just going to sign up and this is going to blow up. You're going to have to put in work one time into this, and then you're going to see that blow up over time, okay? So we're going to go ahead and look at the first site here. And this site here is called Udemy. So the Udemy platform is basically a platform where you can come and make a course on anything that you enjoy, basically anything that you're expert of. You can come make a course of it here. And once you've made that course, you've put it on the site, you will get paid basically every time somebody purchases it. You'll get paid for that course, and this course stays on the site forever, basically. Okay, so you're gonna be getting paid over time for this course that you've created years ago. You're gonna continue to get paid for it, basically. All right, so Udemy is a pretty good site for this. As you can see, some courses here that some most of the people have put in the platform here. You can see here somebody made a course. It's called Become a Freelance Social Media Manager, basically teaching you how to work for social media for businesses that want to up their ads on social media. So you're the one that would be able to do it for them. So you just come here, learn this, and you would go ahead and be able to be a social media manager. Now let's look at how much people purchased this product so far. How many people left a review? And that's 240 people that left a review. Okay, so there's more people that purchased this product that probably didn't leave a review for this product. So if it's 240 people here and they purchased it at $99, just think about how much money he's made so far from creating this course. Okay, so this is the powerful thing about creating courses on here. Even on here over time, you're gonna earn some good money. Let's take a look at this course here. It says how to create an empire on Airbnb without. Okay, so as you can see, it says 1,407 people left a review. Wow, that is amazing, right? And this was purchased at $96.99. So just with the reviews and that amount there, this guy made some pretty good money off of this one course here. Okay, so it's a few of them. It's a few of them that made pretty good money here. This person here made a lot of money, and his course is about hands-on artificial neural networks. He had 14,179 reviews so far on it, and probably had way much more sales than this, okay? And this was purchased at $139.99. So as you can see, guys, there's a lot of power behind making courses. If you have something that you're good at, you're expert of, come here and make a course of it. If you're good at doing yoga, you're good at fitness, email marketing, you're good at Facebook marketing, anything, guys, anything that you're good at, you can come here and make you a course, and you can get paid from Udemy. Okay, now Udemy does take a cut out of the shares. They do take a cut. I believe it's about 5 to 10%, but nothing more than that, and the rest goes to you. Okay, so imagine how much money you can make if thousands of people are buying your course, and they're purchasing it at this amount here. You're gonna make a lot of money. Alright, so another website that allows you to do the same is called Skillshare. And Skillshare, I believe you would have to pay 99 cents for it. But that would be just that. Udemy is free, so you don't have to pay for that. But with Skillshare, you probably have to pay 99 cents for it. You come on here, put the same course that you create on Udemy, you put it on Skillshare. And then once you've put it on Skillshare, the same thing happens. People purchase the course, you get paid, okay? Same thing here for Teachable. Teachable is another platform where you can put your course on, and you come here, put your course on here, and people will pay you for your skills and your experiences. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. As you can see with Teachable, there's 7 million students learning, 34,000 active courses, 22,000 instructors online, 100 million plus earned by instructors. So you can come here and definitely do set up a course and get paid for it. Now, each of these 3 sites, they actually walk you through it step by step to create the course. So don't worry guys, if you haven't created a course yet, you're not alone. You're gonna go through a step by step process to create that course that you want to create. Okay, you most likely gonna use a software like Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify. Okay, so these softwares, they allow you to capture your screen, and then you can go ahead and create the course. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. You can definitely make it happen. All right, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and bring these 3 sites to you that basically shows you how you can make passive income from home just to make that money that you don't have to go to 9 to 5 to make. You'll make it on your own time while you're doing the things that you love most. Okay, so if you guys definitely love this content, make sure you like the video, go ahead and share it, and also subscribe to the channel guys. I'll definitely be bringing out more videos just like this, just to help you make money from home. With that being said, stay blessed, become self-made today.